All right, since we've come this far, might as well finish it. So just to recap, we started by establishing our top and bottom, the center cells, and then we established the center cells on each of the four sides. And we had a really long video before on how to unify these edges. You notice these edge pieces, they were all over the place, and we kind of unified all of them. And so we could look at this sort of like a 3x3, with this being the corner cell, corner cell, edge piece, center piece, edge piece, so on and so forth. And of course, now we're going to go back to the basics. There's our daisy. I'm going to match the sides, give it to the white, match the sides. Give it to the white side. Green, green. Blue with blue. Now we have a white cross. The white cross, we have green, orange, white, green, orange. Where are you? There it is. White, green, orange has to be here. Let's bring it up. So if we turn this up, it'll be in place. Turn it away from the turning plane. Bring it back. Red, green, white. Nope. There it is. It's in the wrong place. Put it in the bottom shelf. Red, green, white should be here. So if we turn this up, it'll be home, which makes this the turning plane. And temporarily take it away. Ready the turning plane to receive. Bring it back. All right. Orange and blue and white. It's oriented in the wrong direction. Get it out of the turning plane. Ready the turning plane to receive. Bring it in. Red, white, and blue. Okay. Get it out of the turning plane. Bring down the turning plane. There, the first tier is done. Now we're going to implement the second strategy of upper right, upper left. Blue and red. Red and blue has to go over here. These two cells have to go up. So we use the same algorithm that we learned from the 3x3. That side's done. Let's see. Green and red has to go up or right. Turn left. Bring side down. Okay. Orange and green. Line it up with the green. Has to go to upper left. Turn it away. Now orange and blue is in the right place, but facing the wrong way. So we got to first get it out of there. So you just got to put whatever cells you have in the bottom, it doesn't matter, and just shove it in there and it'll be squeezed out. Alright, it's now squeezed out and it's in the bottom here. There it is. Keep it on blue. Let's go to upper right, away, All right, now that the top 2 tiers, or top 3 tiers in this case, are done, let's turn it around. We're going for the yellow. The first step in getting the yellow is getting the yellow cross. Count right, we'll do the clock face algorithm. There is our yellow cross. So we lucked out. A lot of times in the 4x4s, there is one difference where you can end up with what's called parity. And that's where the cells are just not facing the right direction. So thankfully, I don't think we have that problem this time around. All right, get the 2 sides, 2 good sides. Oh, we have the yellow cross and we've got all the sides. So thank our lucky stars. All right, so now the corners. This is the only good corner. That is where it's supposed to be, red and green. Even though the yellow is facing the wrong way, but that's fine. We're going to do the corner swap algorithm. That help. That moved them around. Still not in the right place. Red and green. So the corner swap algorithm actually, I think, shifts these 3 cells just in succession. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 2 of them in the right place. These 2 are in the right place, facing the wrong way. All right, now with this configuration, what we're going to do is implement the right 180, left 180. All right, right 180 on top, back, counterclock, counterclock, back, left 180 on top, down, clock, up, clock, down. All right, so now it's facing to our right. Let's go and implement right 180, left 180 again. 180, back, left 180, voila. There's our 4x4 solved. All right, hope this helps you. Good luck.